Say, I'm pooping. Poopy baby. Taking the shit. Ooh.
Cool refrigerator. See? Crazy baby.
You like that juice, Grandma?
Oh, that's the hard food.
Hello. What's today's date, Mom? November 21st. We leave to go back home to Philly tomorrow. And I'm excited, aren't you? Oh. Oh, no. Yep, we get to see all our family. If y'all didn't know, that's where I'm originally from. Philadelphia. Are you done pooping?
Get your lips off of there. No, no, no. Look how he did that. Look.
Stop. Stop biting stuff. Is your poop that hard? You gotta bite something? We're waiting on his dad to come.
It's a bowl. It's a big, big
And I have to go to the office today. Yay. Hold on 1 second. Hello. Anyway. Yeah. I'm just vlogging. Now, y'all see my outfit? How y'all like it? I know I told y'all one of my favorite stores was City Trend. And this is where I got this dress from. Okay.
Really?
Look, Michael's calling. Ooh, shit. I hear Michael calling. I hear my phone, but I can't find it. Ew. I ain't never seen him with a hard poo-poo like that. That means he needs some prunes. He needs some prunes. Okay, I'm gonna change you. So I have to get this doo-doo off of me. Alright, bye-bye. Come on.
Because I might choke.
No, Mom, try. I'm giving you two.
What is it?
It's called Bean Boozled. You spin the little spinner thing, and it can either be long clippings or toothpaste. The jelly bean tastes like toothpaste. Here. Eat it. Mommy. Or choose 96 months no interest on
Ew.
and Tempur-Pedic mattresses starting at just $25.
It tastes like poop.
That one was spoiled milk.
At the #1 Tempur-Pedic retailer in North America. Ashley
Ew.
You want to play?
No,
Come on. No, don't put it in here. See, these are the little thingies right here. It's either like...
Play with your when he comes.
Uh-oh.
The savings are too
He gonna be mad.
Why do I love my babysitter? She laughs when I move. She lets me dance on top of her feet.
So we gonna spin the top, and you pick a jelly bean and eat it, and I'm gonna.
No, we gotta, whenever, with the spinner spins on, when it stop on, that's the kind we get. And we don't know, it's two, they all the same color for whatever you choose to
When
get.
he come in here, just spin it.
You just don't know which one it is.
Just spin it for him. Tell him to spin it.
Alright, let me do one more, man. For you. Alright, this one is rotten eggs or buttered popcorn. And that one looks like the yellow one. Rotten egg or butter popcorn. We're gonna play this one.
I'm gonna give you one.
The IRS claim you owe over $10,000 in back taxes.
What's yours there?
Business and personal taxes.
Then a friend told us about Coast One Financial Group. Their
Wait,
experienced tax
no,
professionals
that was the wrong one.
$2,000 tax bill.
Banana or pencil shavings.
$4.
This,
All we do is help people like
I got pencil shavings.
Pencil shavings. Let's pencil
as
shavings.
much as 80%. Call Coast One Financial Group at 800-310-5084. That's 800-310-5084.
Yeah, that pencil shaving.
It's so weird. Like, how did they get them to taste like that?
They taste like how they smell.
Let's do another one. Alright. Alright. You spin it. That one, maybe. Oh, we just did that. We're gonna do sour and or minion fart. Alright.
That light green one.
Light green. Little light green. 1, 2, 3.
You do the honors.
Oh, have you like today
Ew.
is the feast of St. Thomas. On this day, long parents brought me the snow.
It tastes like minion fart. And I don't even know what a minion fart is.
You ever seen the Minions, the movie?
Skis?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I guess that's how they fart for tea. Oh, this one is dead fish or strawberry.
Abominable snowman.
What color is that one? That's the orange one.
Every year, this day, we trim the tree.
Yeah, it's the orange one.
Christmas tree.
The orange one with the dots on it.
So this
All right,
one,
everyone. Find your decorations.
Yeah, this one.
Myself.
I don't
See,
think
it got red dots on it.
More much information.
I can't see.
Exactly. Here it is. And here's yours and me.
This one
And
right
this
there.
one must be yours.
That's this one. Right there with the red blood on it.
Are you sure it
No,
is
that's
this?
not that.
Don't worry. I won't tell
It's
anyone.
the this one.
I just hope that the people
Yeah.
who bought it feel
That's that one.
Well, this one don't barely have any on it.
It's this one.
Okay. And what is it? Strawberry or dead. Strawberry bands,
Everyone's
or
here.
dead
Minutes to
fish.
vote.
You gotta put it in your mouth.
How could you not want to take over?
Dad, we've been through this a million times. It's too late now.
They get up in here, make you want to throw
He's
up.
gonna come in here and he's gonna drag this place up.
My
They
eyes,
make something like that.
my eyes just got watery.
It's just the way it is. They're
Come
gonna
on.
keep everything exactly the same. Remember, that's why we sold it to them.
That one's stuck.
Is that the contract?
What are you two doing out here? We have a house full of guests waiting inside to trim the tree.
What's that schedule for?
You gotta put that together.
We ain't doing the dead fish one.
We're fully booked for the whole
Alright, this one is chocolate or canned
Well, if
dog
it ain't
food.
broke, why does he keep on saying he needs fixing?
All
So
you
what's
color
only
is
one
that?
of them?
keep the lodge growing and
There's only one. It's
build
this one.
something of their own.
Well, they're gonna have to build it somewhere
Oh,
else.
the purple one. You try
It's
it.
okay, Paul.
Let's bite it
It's
in
okay.
hand. Let's break it in hand.
Baby's moving on. And we are too. Come in. Since Paul's grandfather started
Tastes like dog food.
every guest
And
has
I
been
know
given
dog
their own
food tastes
decoration for the Christmas tree in the great hall.
How you know what dog food is?
Because I accidentally tasted it one time.
My
When I was cleaning,
pennies.
giving Rico dog food.
So we don't break the
And I did like this.
Oh, no.
I said, no, that ain't tuna.
Yes.
Ew.
Oh, I
Mom.
Nasty taste in my mouth.
Yeah. Are you serious? You said Hey everyone. It is bedtime for Stinka. Say bedtime. Night night. Say night night. Night night. No, that's mommy stuff. See, even the baby approves. Say nice, baby. What you doing? You ready to take a bath? Huh? You ready to take a bath? You ready? Yeah. Say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, JKLMNOPQRSTUVWXYZ. I know my ABC. I want you sing with me. You got to get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. You got to get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. You said don't give up the fight. Say don't give up the fight. You got to get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights, yeah. You got to get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Say don't. What are you doing in the water? I'm so sorry. Yep, you gotta sit down too. Give me a kiss. Give mommy a kiss. Give mommy a kiss. Oh, you mad? You mad? You mad? Say you got to get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. You got to stand up. Stand up. Stand up for your rights. Say stand up. Stand up for your rights. You ready to get washed? You ready to wash up? You gotta stand up. Yeah. Stand up for your rights. No, don't drink the tub water. What is wrong with you, son? You're nasty. You're nasty. Don't drink the tub water. Don't drink the tub water. No. Go ahead. You want to take this plug out? Stiga. Boo Sting. What you doing, man? What you doing? Yeah. You made it foggy.